Well, hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel mrbdoeselectronics. So in this video we'll be going through a repair of the Samsung Galaxy A71. It's an old model but nonetheless. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the repair video. So this is the current condition of the phone. As you can see, it has got the green line / pink line issue as it is an OLED or AMOLED display. So we'll be going ahead with the display replacement and the back glass replacement. As you can see, it's not a back glass, it's a plastic back, but I'm going ahead with the color change, and the main speaker also needs to be replaced as the sound is coming out distorted. So the back panel, not the back glass, being plastic works to our advantage, but nonetheless heat and prying is our best friends. But don't put your blade or your prying tool too deep inside. There is the main flex cable, as you will be able to see right in the middle. So take your time, go around the edges and the corners, heat it up and slowly pull it out just like that. And here you can see the main flex that I was talking about. So let's turn off the phone before going ahead. You should do it at first and also take out the SIM tray. But like all other videos, I've forgotten. So these are the places where the screw needs to be unscrewed. So let's go ahead and do that as quickly as I can. So here I'm taking out the SIM tray, which needs to be done at first. So don't forget it like me. And there is this plastic mid frame which needs to be separated slowly and steadily. Here you can see, use your nails or your spudger to slowly go around the edges. The buttons are in this middle frame, which are connected with these pogo pin like connectors and flex, as well as the speaker and some other components, so keep it aside. So right now I'm disconnecting the battery as well as the main flex cable which connects the main board and the daughter board, and that flex that I just disconnected is the display flex. So before going ahead or moving ahead, I always urge you to test each and every part that you have bought. If it is compatible, if it is working, if it is damaged or anything like that. So right now you can see that it is working perfectly okay. And I'm also testing out the touch, which also seems to be okay. So now let's go ahead and heat up the front display panel. We need to separate it out from the rest of the motherboard and also the mid-frame part. And as you can see, I have already put in my blade at the corner and also using a vacuum. Most of the time what happens is that these AMOLEDs separate out and it is not salvageable. So do this kind of repair only if you don't want to use the old screen or don't want to keep it in working condition. So here I have not adhered the display. This is the replacement display. I'm again turning it on and seeing and testing before adhering anything on there. So it is working perfectly okay. The flex cable is reaching the motherboard connector. So I'm taking it out. And this is the T7000 glue, the cell phone or smartphone glue that I use all the time for repairs. Use very small quantity around the edges, taking extra care at the top part so that you don't put this glue inside the proximity sensor hole or the earpiece sensor or even the selfie camera. So take extra care on that part. Now before pressing it into the glue, always connect it to the flex. Otherwise what happens, these replacement display, the flex are sometimes crooked or a little bit smaller than that. So put in the flex, then set the display. And here I'm using some rubber bands to keep pressure on it so that it sets. So while that sets, let's focus on the speaker replacement. It is nothing special. In this plastic mid frame, you just pull out the old speaker, being careful not to tear the connector, and just place it on there. And for the back panel replacement, we required the camera lens to be separated out from the previous one, as you can see over here. Just push it and it will come out. Always test fit and then glue it on. That's one of the top tip I can give you. Here I'm using the same T7000 glue around the edges being careful not to spill out over the lenses so that it doesn't get smudged, and carefully press it in and let it cure. So these are all the parts with the replacement parts installed in them. So the mid frame just snaps back on. It has got clips all around. Take your time, go around the edges, press them in. Don't be afraid, but don't press too much in, otherwise the display might break. Now give it a little bit of clean with a microfiber cloth, and then all the screws that I have opened needs to be screwed back in. So let's quickly do that. And with the magic of video editing, time seems to fly by. So while I'm doing that, kindly do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to do those, and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss my new videos when I upload those. And lastly, you put in the T7000 glue all around the edges and press it in. Clear off any of the glue residue that has seeped out. Take off the protective film from the screen, and we're done. Just like that, we have resurrected this Galaxy A71, which was plagued the green line or the pink line issue, and due to the nature of the display that I have fitted, which is not an original AMOLED or OLED display, an IPS LCD display, this problem will never occur. And here I'm checking out the back cameras. All the three lenses are smudge free and working. The front camera is also working perfectly, and the speaker is also good to go. So just like I say in any other video, DIY is the way to go. You save some money and also learn something new on the way. And if you like learning new things, any kind of tech videos, gadget videos, DIY videos, consider subscribing to Mr. B Does Electronics. Like, share and comment also. And I'll catch you guys in my next video very soon. Peace.